vagina is a reproductive organ. Regardless of gender, we all start out pretty much the same in the womb. A process called atrophy inhibits the development of the anatomy we don't need. Wolffian ducts develop in the male into the vas deferens and other tubes that connect the testes to the penis. In the female embryo, these ducts waste away. Mullerian ducts develop in the female into the uterus and vagina. But in the male embryo, these disappear. So in other words, men have no organ equivalent to the vagina. Male orgasm triggers ejaculation of semen, which is a reproductive event. But female orgasm has no biological or reproductive function, which is weird, because normally we only evolve capacities that are necessary for survival and reproduction. It is highly unlikely that women would have evolved the ability to orgasm quite independently of men, involving an organ that men don't have. Female orgasm is an evolutionary redundancy that only exists because of the anatomy that women have in common with men. The vagina is part of the birth canal and develops from primitive egg ducts, which, like nearly all other internal body structures, are poorly supplied with nerves. This insensitivity of the vagina has been recognised by gynecologists, who regularly probe and do operations in this area without using anaesthesia. In her book, Hot Sex, Tracy Cox explains, "The vagina itself is a muscular tube of about 8 centimetres that expands to fit any size penis with ease. When your partner initially penetrates you, the muscles of the vagina contract and grip the penis. As you continue intercourse, the vagina expands even further, sometimes so much so you can't feel his penis inside you, no matter how large it is. There is no way the vagina could ever be a sex organ. It is basically a void. But also, no one orgasms by someone else prodding or poking at any part of their anatomy. So in conclusion, we think that a man should be able to stimulate a woman to orgasm through intercourse, but there is no research to support this assumption."